Hey everyone, want to create AI research reports with NotebookLM? In this video, I'll show you how to use NotebookLM to analyze sources, organize findings, and create detailed research reports step by step. First, open your web browser and go to the NotebookLM website. Sign in with your Google account and create a new notebook. Next, collect the documents and sources you want to use for your report, such as research papers, PDFs, articles, business documents, or other reference materials. Now upload your sources into NotebookLM. Adding your own materials helps NotebookLM generate insights based on the information you provide. Once your documents are uploaded, wait for NotebookLM to process and analyze the content. Next, ask NotebookLM questions about your research topic. You can request summaries, key findings, important statistics, comparisons, and explanations from your sources. Use NotebookLM to identify the main ideas, supporting evidence, trends, and important points that should be included in your report. Next, create a report structure by asking NotebookLM to help organize your findings into sections such as Introduction, Key Insights, Analysis, and Conclusion. Review the generated information and check the source citations to make sure the details are supported by your original documents. You can refine your report by asking follow-up questions, requesting more details, or changing the writing style based on your needs. Finally, export your findings or copy your organized notes into your preferred document editor to complete your final research report. And that's how to create AI research reports with NotebookLM. By combining your own sources with AI-powered analysis, you can research faster, organize information better, and create more effective reports. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy technology guides.